Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Friday Samuel, and in this channel I post make money online tips and strategies that will help you make a lot of money from the internet. Now please, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, I would love you to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. After working on a particular video, editing it and uploading it on YouTube, and after hours you check your dashboard and you see no views. I know this can be heartbreaking, as when you consider the time and effort you put in creating this amazing video. Now in today's video, I will be taking you through some YouTube settings you need to either turn on or turn off in your YouTube Studio app to start getting views in your channel today. Now please, you are not going to be using the YouTube Studio app that is gotten from Play Store or Apple Store. Rather, you'll be using the desktop form of the YouTube Studio directly from your Chrome browser or your Safari browser. If you have watched up to this point, please do me a big favor: subscribe to this channel, like this video, and lay out your best comment yet. Thanks. Welcome back. Now, the first setting to actually check is to check if your phone number is verified. That is the phone number you use to open the YouTube account, whether it's verified. Now for this, head into your Chrome or your Safari. Now I'm going to edit all tabs here. I'm going to clear all tabs in my home section of my Chrome, and I'm going to open a new tab right here. Right, then after opening a new tab, go on and search for this YouTube youtube.com/verify. Right, youtube.com slash sorry slash verify. Now click on it, and automatically it's gonna show whether your account, the phone number you used to create your YouTube account, is verified. Now as you can see, this is one of my YouTube channel, and as you can see, your phone number has been verified. Now your phone number, I want you to head on to your YouTube Studio, the desktop version of your YouTube Studio, right? So I'm going to write here the YouTube dashboard, and I'm going to log in directly. I want you to head to the desktop version, because there are settings you need to actually update for your videos to start getting views and attention. Now it's loading, guys. We have to just wait for a little while. It's going to load, right? Head on to your studio.youtube.com or type in YouTube dashboard as you seen me performed right there. Now this is the interface of the channel. We just verified the phone number, and without wasting your time, this is the dashboard icon of this channel. This right here is the icon where all the videos I've uploaded on our YouTube channel is being shown. Now let's ignore that. Now let's go over to the settings icon here. Click on the settings icon right and allow to load. Click on it. Now do allow to load. Now remember, I told you there are some settings you need to update if you want to actually go viral in your YouTube channel or in your YouTube niche. Now this is the drop down. After hitting on the setting, this is the drop down icons that is going to be showing: general, channel, upload default, permission, and community moderation. Now for the general, you have to set the currency you want to be receiving your money, whether in dollars, euros, pounds, or any one of your choice. Now we are going to go to the channel right here, the channel right, and allow to load. Now you need to fill in the basic info of your YouTube channel. Now many channels don't have this, and you can't get this done using the YouTube Studio app that is gotten from Play Store or Apple Store. You have to log into the desktop version using your Chrome or your Safari to be able to update this info on your channel. Now the country of residence, please do well to put the country in which you reside. I currently live in Nigeria. That is why you are seeing that my country of residence is ticked as Nigeria, right? And now for the keywords, please, I endeavor you use keywords regarding to your niche. Now there are many niches out there that you might be working on. Write them out and paste them here. Keywords relating to your specific niche. Now what YouTube does, when a video you post, even if you don't put, when you post a video, even if you don't put your keyword, because of the keyword you already fixed in it, YouTube will also help to promote your videos to enable you get high engagement and views, right? Now we are going to go to the next one here, the advanced setting icon, the advanced setting. Now this is very important. Do pay rapt attention here. Now for the audience, when uploading, you might have seen a setting where YouTube will ask you whether your video, whether it's meant for kids or not. Now this feature here in the desktop version of your YouTube Studio will help you, so that even when you forget to tick whether the video is made for kids or not, YouTube will automatically decide it. Now as you can see, I don't post, my content are not made for kids, so I already ticked the no, set this channel as not made for kids, right? I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Now this helps in a situation, maybe in rush, and I'm trying to upload a video and I forget to tick that my content is not made for kids. Because I've updated this info here, YouTube is automatically going to tick this stuff for me that my content is not made for kids. Now you want to scroll down and you can see the automatic caption, the advertisement and clips. This one you have to tick it. You allow viewers to clip your content. And now we are going to the third most important feature. You click on the feature eligibility. Now as it reads, you can manage your access to more features here. Intermediate and advanced feature require additional verification, which help us keep the YouTube community safe for everyone. Now you have three features here: the standard features, let me scroll down, the standard features, the intermediate features, and the advanced features. Now you can see all mine is, my standard feature is enabled, my intermediate feature is enabled, and my advanced feature is enabled. Now these are the benefits of having the standard feature, right? You can see, get your YouTube channel started and begin growing your audience, right? Free video uploads, playlist creation. When you enable the standard feature, you'll be able to create a playlist, you'll be able to add collaborations to playlists, and you'll be able to add new videos to existing playlists, right? And you can see the requirement to actually get the standard feature. Your channel must be free from strike of any community guidelines. Now the intermediate feature, this is what you are going to be getting, guys. You are going to be able to upload videos of over 15 minutes. You are going to be getting custom thumbnails, and you'll be given the ability to live stream on YouTube. Isn't that cool, guys? Now for the third one, the advanced features, you will get increased daily, as the benefit of unlocking the advanced feature. You get increased daily video uploads and live stream. That means you can upload more than 2 to 3 videos per day, and you can go live on YouTube more amount of time you want, and you also get the eligibility to apply for monetization. That is, after beating the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be able to apply for monetization on YouTube. Now, the third icon I want you to take note of is the upload default, right? The upload default. Now, the first setting here, the basic info. Now, you can see the title icon here. Add a title that describes your video. Now, this setting is made that if I'm trying to if my niche is on the make money online niche, and maybe I'm making videos about how to make 5,000 naira daily as a Nigerian, because I'm a Nigerian, and I'm going to fix in the title here, right? This means that any video I'm creating, that title I came up with, how to make 5,000 naira daily in Nigeria, is always going to be a permanent title there. Now, it will be my choice to either edit the title or leave it as I've written. Now, you can see the description. Now, any description you fit here, basically on your specific niche, is going to be there permanently. Now, when editing your videos, you can change this description, right? You can change this description to what you want. Now, we are going to be going to one of the most important parts of your YouTube settings, right? Now, you can see this visibility icon here. Now, many channels are set, their visibility is set to private or unlisted. Now, if your channel is set to private or unlisted, as sad as it sounds, you are not going to be getting any views. I mean, come on, you are posting videos to the public so that the public can view your channel and engage. So why is it set to private or unlisted? Please do well to change it to public. And tags, right? Now, do well to add relevant tags that are based on your specific niche, whether be it sports, comedy, entertainment, education, and how to and style niche, or tech niche. You are going to fill in relevant tags here. Go out there, look for relevant tags, copy them and paste them here. Now, these tags help YouTube to optimize your video and send them to the right audience, right? And send them to the right audience. You don't want people from the wrong searching for another name to be watching your video. You want your video to hit your right audience. Now, we are going to go to the advanced setting, right? The advanced setting. Now, the first one here is automatic chapters. Now, click on allow automatic chapters and key moment. Tick it on. Now, for the license, you have the standard YouTube license and the Creative Commons / attribution. Please click on the YouTube standard license, right? Now, for your category, do well to choose your niche. You can be in the comedy niche, the entertainment niche, the film and animation niche, the gaming niche, the how-to and style niche, and lots more. Do well to choose your niche, right, guys? And sorry, let me take that down. Now the language and caption certification. Do well to choose your language. Mine is English. Now the caption certification, I don't know what that means, so I didn't even choose it, right? And scrolling down here, make sure to tick your comment off. Now, most channels, the comment section is turned off. I don't know why that is that. So you have to turn the comment section on. And for the comment moderation, you can choose it to basic or what you feel like choosing. Now, this last setting here, they show how many viewers like your video. Now, ensure this is toggled on, because you want to know how many viewers actually like your video, because many people, after watching your video and they see that, wow, this guy is actually doing well, they are going to click on your video, they are going to like it. Now, please, if you have watched up to this point and you have not liked, comment, or subscribe on this video, what are you waiting for? Help me hit that subscribe button. Setting you need to check on your YouTube channel to start getting lots of views. Now, head on to the interface of your YouTube studio and scroll down to where you see customization and click on it. Scroll down to where you see customization, this pencil like icon, and click on it. Now you would have already updated your channel banner and your channel profile pic. Now that is not why we are here. We are going to go to the home tab here and allow to load. Now you can see the first drop down here, the home tab. It reads show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Now in some channels this is turned off. Please do well to turn it on. Hit on. Many people want it turned off. Click on it to turn it on, right? Turn it on. You can also see the layout option here where you can customize your YouTube videos to be in sections. All you have to do is click on the add sections, but that is not why we are here. This is what we are here for, the for you section. You can see this more settings option here that is written in with blue ink, right? We are going to click on it. Click on it and you can see as it reads what to include in the for you section, right? The for you section we turn on. This is what they are going to include. The for you section will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content, right? When you have enough content, and you can see the content type. You can either fix a video there, a short, or live streams. Now I don't want this, is not what you are looking for. We are going to scroll down, right, and the place of recency. Now most channels, the first one is tick this all content recommended. YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. Now change it and click on recent content only. Click on recent content only. Now the reason is this: you don't want YouTube to show a video you posted a year ago on your YouTube studio, on your YouTube dashboard. This is because if you started a YouTube channel a year ago, your perfection at that time cannot be compared to the present time. I mean, your thumbnail designs will be different compared to a year ago, and your thumbnail will be looking more attractive and more inviting for somebody to even click your video to watch. So you have to click on this recent content only. But this sends a message to the YouTube algorithm to only show your recent uploads in the for you section, so that when your viewers come to your channel and see your videos, they are going to watch the recent videos only. Now if you got value from this, give me a subscribe, like this video,